The new addition to England's National Heritage List is St. Peter's Church, Littlebury Green, in Essex. The Victorian church was described by Historic England as a gem of corrugated iron, faith, and rural ingenuity. Essentially a 19th-century prefabricated church supplied in kit form, the tin tabernacle was built in 1885 for people who lived far away from the main parish church. The nature of the building meant that such churches could be quickly and easily erected. Most of these churches were subsequently dismantled, replaced, or moved. St. Peter's is a rare case of such a church remaining in its original setting and largely in its original condition for well over 100 years. St. Peter's tin construction is more than functional. The church also features 2 decorative chairs and paintings of the Stations of the Cross, which were all part of the original setup. The exterior of the chancel arch features a decorative tin border in the form of a scroll. The border is inscribed in black with a quote from Psalms 26, which says, "I will wash my hands in innocency, and so will I go to thine altar." Heritage Minister Baroness Twycross said, "Britain's heritage is as varied as it is brilliant, with each of these buildings playing a part in shaping our national story over the centuries." Thank you for watching. You can keep up to date by kindly subscribing to the channel